Stop snoring in my video. Stop. Okay, I feel sick, so I don't want to yell. You feel sick too with a moving house. Stop snoring in my video, I said. Stop snoring in my video. I feel sick, so I don't want to shout. Stop.